Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're gonna make a banana and apple cake. Just grab an apple, peel it and then grate it. Peel 2 bananas and then smash them in the same bowl you grated the apple. If you really hate someone, now is the time to think of them. In another bowl, place your butter and your custard sugar, following with your brown sugar. Let me break that chunk because it really disturbed me. Thank you. And then beat them together until it represents something like wet sand. You usually cream butter and sugar, but in that recipe we're not using that much butter, so when you get to the wet sand part, just stop. You don't need to beat them anymore. Then crack 2 eggs one at a time and it should start to look like a cake batter. And yeah, if you don't want to suffer like I do, you can use an electric mixer. Then place your banana and apple mixture in the butter and just fold it in until everything is combined. That's basically all of our wet ingredients. Now for the flavoring. We're gonna use salt, cinnamon, ground ginger and vanilla extract, following with some chocolate chips and just fold them in. Now for the dry ingredients. We're using all-purpose flour with a tablespoon of baking powder. Yeah, that's the bowl we smashed the bananas, you don't need to clean another bowl. Just place all of your flour in your butter and fold it in until you can't see any more flour. Here I've got some melted butter and I'm using it to grease a 13x10 cake tin. Place some flour in and coat it in every inch, and believe it or not, we're almost done. Place your butter in your tin and with a spatula just smooth it out so it bakes evenly. And then just place it in the oven at 180 degrees for 50 minutes. And you're done! Trust me, your kitchen is gonna smell so good. Now it's worth to mention, because we're doing a cake recipe, you really need to pay attention to the measurements, so I'm gonna have everything in the description, check it out. Let me cut it so I can show you how moist it is. Excuse me, but I've got to try some. It's so moist and tasty, I can't even describe it. All I'm gonna say is that you have to give it a try.